Hey, hello wonderful people! It's Genevieve, and my goal here on this channel is to teach you all about illustration and a little bit of design too. I just thought I'd jump in to make a super short and sweet video to introduce this month's creativity challenge here on YouTube instead of just keeping it on Instagram. So this month is December. Whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, you're more into the big New Year party stuff, or you have your own tradition even, there is no denying that December, or this time of year in general actually, it is the season of festivities. So your challenge this month is to create a greetings card celebrating whatever you want. But there's a twist. You need to include your custom prompt, which this month is an object, in your illustration. And it can be included front and center, so that could be kind of the base of your illustration. Or it could be just part of the background, or you could even hide it like in some sort of a search and find type of illustration. Really, whatever you feel like doing works as long as your object is included within the final illustration in some shape or form. And that's really the gist of it. If you would like more information about the challenge, including this month's featured freebie, make sure to check out the video description because all the information is there. Then once you're ready to start creating, click on this video right here in which you will learn how to make a printable greeting cards within Procreate. So I'll see you there.